Glenn from Webster has window shopping questions.
It kind of reminds me of Breakfast at Tiffany's, when she's walking along looking in the window, she's window shopping.
Those were the good old days.
Those were the good old days when you could walk around New York.
When you could walk around New York without getting run over.
Well, he says the front side and the back side of his house need replacing the windows. And here, he sent a picture of his house.
Those are windows.
They are. And he says that this is the stuff in the back. And he says that there are windows here, the one with siding and one sliding rather, and two big windows together. And I wanted the 3 windows installed with a nailing fin, he said, since the siding is going to be replaced there. When the rep that's selling them said that's not a good idea. A replacement window is better because they can move it around to get a good fit. Tom, Glenn wants to know, does that sound right to you?
Actually, yes, it does. I don't know about the move it around to get a good fit, although what happens is the windows you have in there and are going to be a little bit different size than windows you'd buy today. Okay. And when we buy windows for a new home, they will have the flange, and we will set the openings right for that flange, about 1/8 of an inch on either side, a little bit bigger. But for you to make custom windows with a flange that's going to fit just right, it gets really difficult. And if they have to mold them together, they got to take the flange off anyway. So replacement windows are a little bit different, and it'll be fine, but it's a lot easier to get a good fit without trying to fit a flange.
So don't do the fin thing that he's talking about.
That's right. But go to a good window company, Gulf Coast Windows. They'll get a nice fit. They'll detail it. They'll waterproof it. It'll be fine. Okay,
now, if he's planning on doing siding, he didn't ask this question, but I'm going to ask it for you. So it's a plus for you, Glenn. What order should he do this? Should he do the siding, then the windows, or the windows first, then do the siding?
I would do the windows first and let him build the siding right up to it. Yes.
All right. There you go. A bonus question for you.
All right.
Send us your questions. We'll answer you. Maybe even give you a bonus at HomeShowRadio.com. Hey, there's a bonus videos over here and a free subscription to our channel available.